So we just got the new Brady printer, the M611, has Bluetooth. We'll do a quick demo of what it can do. So right now we're going to do serialization. First gotta select the label. Then next just type on the area you want to write. You gotta go up here and hit that to serialize them. So the start value is going to be 0, 0. Then next we would do what address we want to serialize to. Let's do 12. Then the next step is to the text we want to enter. We're going to do I dot dot 0 2 backslash and that should be it. Then they come up like this, and you just click print. Here they come. What's cool about this is it does the auto cut. And yeah, the addresses are kind of not on center. So to fix that, just go back. Then when you type on the text, hit this button up here. Then go to paragraph, and then you want them on center. And that one there puts them right on center. You just click check and be done. If you want to preview them all, they're right here. Yeah, this app's pretty powerful. I was surprised at what it could do. Another cool thing about this is you can put your logo on there. Just like that. Hit print. We use a different type of label, that's why it says object is out of label. Fix it. Hit print it. Sends it to the printer. Voila. There you have it. We're the first ones in West Michigan to have this printer.